Guys, I have something crazy to show you. These right here are self-organizing cables. This is a first for me and I am totally amazed. So if you're looking for great cables with the highest tech standards available, then look no further. These right here combine top-notch quality with great affordability and also great looks, as you can see. Awesome plugs, really nice sleeving. So these right here are MagTame cables and they will stay organized even in your bag, in your box, in your drawer. Cable management has never been easier. What an amazing concept. This is so cool. So yeah, let me show you. Got the new drip from MagTame, an assortment of their high quality, high bandwidth, magnetic, fast charging cables. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we go, a stack of cables and I can't wait to unbox them all. So check this out. We have 6 of the big boxes, 2 small boxes. So we have the front sides right there. The sides are just blank, as you can see. And on the back we have all the specs and features right there. So let's unbox all of them. So check this out. Even the unboxing is a breeze with this system. They will stay organized perfectly. I mean, wow. That is just too cool. And these cables are straight to the point. Great packaging, no manual. What you see is what you get. It's all on the back, literally straight to the point cables. So yeah, let's move on right away. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So as you can see, they come in different designs and different sizes, rather lengths, and they are magnetic, self-organizing. It's so cool. You can make those circles bigger or you can also wrap them up super tiny, and I mean really tiny, and they will stay in this shape. You can also build like little pyramids, especially if you combine a few of them together. Check this out, this is so cool. You can do all sorts of things. We have rounded cables, we have flat cables. They will roll up differently, of course. You can stack them, use 2 cables like this. This is just extremely convenient for organizing your cable strings. And this will also work for the round cables. You can grab them and put them together like this. Tons and tons of possibilities. So let's take a close look. So right here we have the rounded variation and the sleeving is top of the line. It feels so nice. We have the black white and the gray white sleeved variation. There are also different plugs available. So this variation and this variation. So this is USB-C in both cases, but as you can see, they look slightly different, a slightly different size. Here we have the lightning variation. All those plugs, they feel really valuable. Nice metal parts. Now look at that. These are super beautiful cables right there. These are the flat variation, nicely sleeved as well, also with a different look to it. And the last type would be this one right here. So we have 4 times USB-C with slightly different design choices. All of them look really nice. Top-notch sleeving, super well made. And lastly, we also have this thinner variation when it gets to the cable with a pure black sleeve. And now check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can go small, you can go big. The flexibility is also incredible. Even though this is a magnetic cable, they still managed to give them excellent flexibility. And the flat cables, of course, I will just leave them like that, or actually 1 big, 1 small, stack them. You can get super creative with them. It's like a fidget toy as well. Not bad, right? So let's of course test them. It is time for a few hands-on tests. So check this out. I can just bring them, drop them, grab one. They will still stay perfectly organized compared to this mess right there. What even is this? I want to self-delete when I see this. What a mess. And worst of all, these cables are weak. So let's get rid of that. no more. Let's bring the MagTame epicness. So the brick is actually amazing. So let's grab one of these USB-C to USB-C cables. They will unfold super fast. Let's plug it in right there. And now check this out. Let's see what we will get. Oh my goodness, this power bank is actually broken. But no worries, I have many different phones with incredible fast charging capabilities. This one right here with 120 Hertz of flash charging, which is mind-boggling. Actually, this one might be even better. Yeah, check this out. Yes, there we go. So all these cables will give you the highest data transfer rates, the highest flash charging rate, just incredible stuff. And at the same time, look at that, they will stay organized. So here's another one. We can simply enlarge it a bit, just like that. This one for the other phone. Look at that. We could also combine them. I can also use one for my iPhone, but actually, let's grab the blue one, this one right here, yet another USB-C plug, but this one with the USB-A. And now check this out. What a world of difference that is. And of course, don't get me started on something like this. Boxes, backpacks, where many cables will meet. This is just insanity. And yeah, as you can see, I would need to get really lucky if I want to pull out a specific one. They're all one tangled up mess, but not with the MagTame cables. You could just grab them, toss them in here. It's basically the same as if I would zip tie every single one of these cables together. Then this would be the same as with these MagTame cables. But of course, you would need to do this literally every time when you take one out, put one in. So check this out. They will stay perfectly together, even when you shake it up a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I love it. Wow. And of course, also on my desk, I have the same problem right here. It's very clear that this is very messy. So there is 1, 2 cables that I can immediately replace. So I will grab the blue one to replace this one and the lightning one. Okay, I need to switch that up. No problem though, check it out. Perfect. And I will grab this one for the lightning adapter. Now check that out. Looks so much better. Now I can use this one to charge up this vacuum right there, or connect my phone, and this one for my iPhone, which I'm currently filming this video with. And when I'm done, I can just put it right there. Look at that. Way better. Oh my goodness. This is the best. I can't believe how awesome this is. And of course, you can also build your very own DIY cable layouts. 2 flat ones, and let's add a round one to the mix. Why not? You can also go interracial and combine different shapes of cables. And this way I could connect to this keyboard and these to the PC. And it will all stay together just like this. But of course, I had to use cable ties. You can achieve the same as I did here without any cable ties. Looks way more organized, way better. They will stay together. It's amazing. You can do so many things with these cables. You can get totally creative. It's amazing for organizing. So yeah, massive, massive thumbs up from my side. I love these MagTame cables. So as you saw, this is such a lovely and handy concept. I am still shook. You can roll them up perfectly without any Velcro, without cable ties, nothing. You need literally nothing. It is like magic. It is totally epic. I will never be able to go back to regular cables for sure. These are just too amazing. Cable management never was easier. It was never faster, never neater. It's just such a great concept, especially for any backpack or for any box or drawer for that matter. With these, there is no more messy cable untangling. When you need one, you just grab one and you will get this perfect roll of a cable. It's amazing. These literally are the world's best behaving cables, and you can also get super creative with them. As you saw, you can even use them as a bracelet, or you can even use them to organize other cables, other non-magnetic ones of course. And as I said, they have the highest data transfer rates that are currently possible, as well as fast charging and flash charging to the highest standards available. You can get them in various different styles, in different lengths, different plugs, and they will just make you happy. They are so worth the money. So check it out yourself, because all those MagTame cables are definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one, and show you then I will see you soon.